we are back on Staley Road again. There's the time stamp and date, and we have a UPS truck, or a UPS truck coming in here to make a delivery. This piece of crap is coming into our dead-end residential neighborhood at 52 miles an hour. I'm sure that freaking package is not going to spoil in 2 minutes that he will take him to get from Tice Street to Luckett Road. There's the truck in question, UPS truck. I can't get the number off of it, and I don't care. There's the speed. 52 freaking miles an hour in a dead-end residential neighborhood. Really? Are you freaking nuts? You crazy! Freaking people are going... What are you laughing at, fool?